Life insurance is not as complicated as it seems. The real challenge is the lack of structure and a reliable source of information. Imagine if all life insurance knowledge was organized into one simple structure, a single source of truth you could rely on. We learn life insurance through certifications, training programs, books, experience, and experts. All of them are valuable. But the knowledge is scattered, overlapping, and unstructured. That's why even experienced professionals often feel uncertain. There are traces of structure, such as business process models, but they do not cover all of life insurance. Can you confidently say you know 60% of life insurance? Even decades of experience cannot quantify it. And what you cannot quantify, you cannot measure, and what you cannot measure, you cannot improve. Now imagine we take 20 top life insurance books, covering almost everything required for your day-to-day job. Extract every unit of information from these books. An example of unit of information is, term insurance does not provide maturity benefit. Let us say the total number of deduplicated units of information stands at 25,000. A new book can be written that accommodates all the 25,000 units of information. This new book now contains the superset of life insurance knowledge. But as long as it is a book, it is still unstructured. Units repeat. Paragraphs overlap. Chapters intersect. Each author presents the content differently. Books explain concepts, they don't organize knowledge. Now imagine a four-layered hierarchical structure. Storage points or nodes and units of information connected to the storage points form core of the structure. Every one of those 25,000 units of information can be attached to clearly defined nodes. This enables structuring life insurance knowledge. The structure is called industry knowledge structure. KDD Educations estimates that 25,000 units of information contained in 8,000 nodes may act as a single source of truth for life insurance knowledge. Based on this concept, a course has been created using more than 500 units of information and nodes, introducing for the first time a structured and measurable way of learning life insurance. The structure also helps learners expand detailed knowledge related to their day-to-day work. This is not just a course, but a knowledge asset blending learning management, application lifecycle management, and knowledge management. When knowledge is organized this way, it significantly improves how professionals understand and work with life insurance. Structured knowledge not only increases training effectiveness, it becomes a reusable asset for project delivery as well. Life insurance agents can use it to pass regulatory exams. Project teams can reuse it in requirements and testing. It saves time, reduces errors, and accelerates delivery. Generative AI has taken capabilities like search, summarization, and reasoning to an entirely new level. These models learn from petabytes of largely unstructured information, which may include duplicates, inconsistencies, and inaccuracies. While techniques such as retrieval augmented generation, or RAG, and small language models, or SLM, attempt to improve accuracy, they still depend on the quality of the knowledge they access. The industry knowledge structure provides another alternative where structured life insurance knowledge is well organized in just a few megabytes. This structure can also enable more effective prompt engineering for AI systems. Gen AI needs structure to be effective, and structured knowledge is what truly powers it. KDD Educations will soon be launching a course on life insurance. Its key differentiator is simple, learning life insurance through a structured approach. More details will soon be available at kddeducations.com, link provided in the description. The course is primarily designed for entry-level business analysts and test analysts. However, it will be useful to anyone working in business or IT departments of life insurance and is interested in understanding it. This course takes the first step towards a structured single source of truth for life insurance. The structure being domain agnostic, a similar course on banking domain is in the pipeline. Also, the structure extends to enterprise knowledge, and launching another course demonstrating how project delivery can get benefited from structured knowledge is being considered. Thank you for watching. Please connect to us for any further information and we will be happy to assist.